Hello, Simon this side. Welcome to an exciting lesson on fractions. Today we will learn about different types of fraction with fun examples. Let's begin. What is fraction? Fraction क्या है? इसके बारे में डिटेल हम अपने लास्ट वीडियोस में कर चुके हैं. Fraction is a part of a whole. It has two parts. One is numerator, other one is denominator. जो top part होता है, that one is numerator, and the bottom part होता है, this is called denominator. That means the total parts in the fraction are called denominator, and the part taken from the total are called numerator. Right? For the examples, here you can see 1 upon 2. We used to write fraction like this. Okay, this top part is called numerator. इसे हम numerator कहते हैं. And this bottom part is called denominator. Based on numerator and denominator, fraction can be classified under the following. Numerator और डिनोमिनेटर के बेसिस पे फ्रैक्शंस को डिफरेंट टाइप्स में डिवाइड किया गया है. चलिए वी विल लर्न अबाउट दिस. नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस. फर्स्ट यूनिट फ्रैक्शन, देन प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस, देन थर्ड इज इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस, फोर्थ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शंस, फिफ्थ equivalent fractions, sixth like fraction and unlike fraction. In upcoming session we will learn all these things in detail, right? Unit fraction can be defined as a fraction whose numerator is 1. Main focus is 1. It represents one shaded part of all the equal part of the whole. The term unit means 1. बस एक ही चीज इसमें लर्न करनी है, याद रखनी है. To identify the unit fraction, unit means 1. Means जो भी fraction जिनका numerator always 1 होगा, वो fractions unit fractions होंगे, right? चलो, so we will do some examples. Right? In this circle, I am shading only one part. That means it is showing 1 out of 4. In this rectangle, I am shading one part. It is showing 1 out of 3. In the triangle, shading one part. It is showing 1 out of 2. So 1 upon 4, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 2. इसमें क्या common है? All the fraction have 1 as numerator. That means ये सभी unit fractions हैं. Easy? Now the second fraction is proper fraction. When fractions have a numerator smaller than the denominator, they are called proper fraction. That means when we have the numerator smaller than the denominator, these kind of fractions are called proper fraction. चलो इसको समझने के लिए मेरे पास एक बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है. एग्जाम्पल किसका है? एक चाइल्ड है एंड देन उसके फादर है. राइट? अब चाइल्ड क्या है? स्मॉल. और फादर क्या है? बिग है. ये तो टॉप पार्ट है. टॉप पार्ट दैट मीन्स ये न्यूमरेटर है. ये बॉटम पार्ट है, दैट मीन्स ये डिनोमिनेटर है. पापा कैन होल्ड द चाइल्ड इजीली, ये देखने में looks like proper. So now it's easy to learn now. When the numerator is small and the denominator is big, this kind of fractions are called proper fraction. In the examples, 1 upon 2. 1 is smaller than 2. 8 upon 11. 8 is smaller than 11. 5 upon 6. 5 is smaller than 6. In all the examples, numerators are smaller than denominator. So these kind of fractions are called proper fractions. Now next is improper fraction. A fraction where the numerator is greater than or equal to denominator is called improper fraction. Proper fraction का just opposite. That means here numerator is big. Here numerator is big and denominator is small. Again example लेते हैं. Up now father is here and the child is here. अब ये कुछ इम्प्रॉपर सा लग रहा है ना कि बच्चे ने पापा को ले लिया है, तो ये कुछ इम्प्रॉपर सा लग रहा है. तो दिस इज द टॉप पार्ट, दिस इज न्यूमरेटर, दिस इज द बॉटम पार्ट, दिस इज द डिनोमिनेटर, राइट? This is big and this is small. That means numerator is big and denominator is small. This kind of fraction are called improper fraction. Easy? Just opposite of proper fraction. An example, 10 upon 2. 10 is bigger than 2. 6 upon 5. 6 is bigger than 5. 7 upon 4. 7 is bigger than 4. All the numerator are bigger than denominator. These kind of fractions are called improper fractions. Now next part is mixed fraction or mixed numbers. It is a combination of whole numbers and fraction. नाम से ही समझ में आ रहा है कि कुछ मिक्स है. So this is a combination of a whole number and the fraction. Example, we can see in the example, in the first circle we have 10 parts. All 10 parts are shaded. That means whole is shaded. Whole, that means 1. In other circle, out of 10 parts, 1 is shaded. It's representing 1 upon 10. So total shaded part is 1 whole 1 upon 10. एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. Suppose you have 2 chocolates. ठीक है, 1 chocolate you have eaten all. पूरा खा लिया. That means 1 chocolate. Second chocolate कितना? You have eaten half. So total कितना चॉकलेट आपने लिया? 1 plus half. That is 1 and half. This is called mixed fraction or mixed number. Equivalent fraction, fraction that have different numbers but represent the same values are equivalent fractions. आपको यहाँ 2 बार दिख रहे होंगे. The first bar is showing fraction 1 upon 2. Second bar is showing the fraction 2 out of 4. But they are covering the same portion. That means they are same. The value of the fractions are same. So these are called equivalent fraction. One more example. There's one chocolate for you and one chocolate for your brother or sister. आपने उस चॉकलेट का हाफ किया और टेक आउट वन पीस and he or she made 4 pieces of it. He have taken one piece at once and other piece after a while. This is 1/2, this is 2/4. Ultimate दोनों ने ही हाफ चॉकलेट लिया, दोनों ने ही हाफ चॉकलेट को ले लिया. दोनों fractions are different but the values are same. So these kind of fractions are called equivalent fractions. This is called fraction wall. ये जो fraction wall है हेल्पफुल होती है इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. दिस फ्रैक्शन वॉल इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. फर्स्ट वन इज शोइंग हाफ, second one is 2/4, third one is showing 3/6, fourth one is 4/8 and the fifth one is showing 5/10. सारे अलग अलग fractions हैं. All are different fractions but they all are showing same value. You can see they all are showing the same value. So they all are equivalent fraction, right? Now it is like fraction and unlike fraction. First we will do the like fraction. Like fraction are those which have the same denominator. जिनके denominator same होते हैं वो like fraction होते हैं. Like और unlike fractions के लिए हमें comparison के लिए at least two fractions की ज़रूरत होती है. Single fractions को हम like और unlike में find out नहीं कर सकते. For example, we have 1/5, 3/5 and 2/5. All the denominator are same. So these fractions are like fractions. Now next is unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are those which have different denominators. जिनके different denominators होंगे, अलग अलग होंगे, unlike means match नहीं होंगे, are called unlike fraction. For example, 4/5, 3/7, 5 and 7. Both denominators are different. दोनों ही different हैं. So this set of fraction is unlike fraction. Easy. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more updates. I think video आपके लिए helpful होगा, informative होगा. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like it, comment in the comment section and share it please.